Look, we got the rain that we're hoping for. I was hoping for, of course, everybody. So take that, you fires. So it's just a quick rain update, and today is a beautiful day for it. And we needed this for the mountains, and I don't know, but we did get some rain, and that's what matters right here. That's plenty. That's plenty, and you know, I think that's gonna help out with our fires. This is just a quick update to show you that the rain is here, and I'll give you a glance at what the clouds look like towards the fires. Okay, so I'm right here by the Keys Park, right here by the Better Stop area, and it seems like it wanted to start hailing or something, but I was hoping that rain snake I posted last time was going to be part of the answer to this rain in the video, but if it was or it wasn't. But anyways, thank you, Jesus. Thanks for the rain. Our mountains are getting what they need, and I hope you guys like my outdoor tone videos, and this is the best I could do for now. Las Vegas is a surprise, like I say, so kill those fires and take that, you stupid fires. Sorry about my language, all, but it's been a pain in the ass when you don't get rain. We get that rain for sure. We need that moisture to kill those fires, man, I'm telling you. It's a real blessing today. The whole Allsups is loaded up. Everybody's expecting the hail to come down pretty hard or something, so. But we're here by the Allsups passing. That's only 650. Well, after we got that good rain, there's the results, and hope it was a little bit of help there. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it was a blessing though. So there's your update. A little bit of rain, somewhat.